As far as key priorities, we increasing exponentially since last couple of years. So many new verticals are coming up, as in smart meter, tri-generation, and apart from that there is a e-mobility, right? And our previous business, which was the street lighting business, it is also have a lot of opportunity for improvement. Like we have a installed base of street light more than 80 lakhs in India, and it is totally governed by a centralized control and monitoring system. It is a IoT based solution. So initially we are like monitoring at a state wise. Now we wanted to like collect at a national level, and then wanted to have a dashboard and then centralized monitoring from our one control center. And smart meter, a lot of data is coming up into the system. So as of now it is using for the billing only. So we are looking to like use this data for value-added services. It's a very good question. Like if we will talk about new technology, AI, ML, and cognitive science, and then deep learning. So a lot of potential are there, because we are working on the most of the projects which are new to the India. Like if we will talk about e-mobility, telematics, it's totally IoT based solution, and we are now talking about tri-generation, which gives our like heat, cooling, and power. All three with this with the same engine, and then we will be able to generate like clean fuel for India. So I think there will be a lot of opportunity with the new technology. We are evaluating the use case for our organization, and let's see what would be the final outcome. Actually, we will see about new technology adoption. A lot of challenges are there, because if you will talk to different person, different kind of suggestion and solution you got, right? So as far as like use case are concerned, it is very clear to our mind, but are the actual use case which we are talking about, or there are certain other things which can also be done? And apart from that, there are certain hesitations like investment and what would be the ROI, because most we are not like we work for the nation, and then we can say we don't focus on so much on profit for the organization. Our main cause to like provide the things at nominal cost to the for the benefit of the nation. As far as ROI is concerned, like definitely once we invest something, we thought about it, but we operate on very thin margin. So it's not like we require a lot of huge margin for our company, but definitely we wanted to use these technology which can help the nation, which can name the end user of my country. Best practices are very subjective in nature. So we have multiple vertical, multiple solutions. We have even multiple subsidiaries of the company. So let's see, like if we will talk about best practices, as far as first thing comes for the security, which is very much is there. So we have designed some best practices for with various agencies. We talked about like certain some government agencies. We got various guidelines and best practices we try to adopt in that terms. And as far as like software is concerned, application stacks are concerned, we follow what are the worldwide best practices which are used for that. And there are certain things which we don't think like it is not necessary to elaborate these kind of thing to that level. Then we jot down our best practices for our organization and then apply on that particular area.